12 simple minerals that will help your body gain muscle faster. I'll give you a heads up that number 1 will surprise you and is the most important of all. So stay until the end to not miss it. Number 12. Chromium. Chromium is essential for men over 40 who want to boost muscle performance and regulate proper insulin function in their bodies. It regulates blood glucose levels, making it crucial for your muscle performance. If you have insulin sensitivity, it can hinder your muscle recovery and body growth as you age. Therefore, chromium supplementation improves insulin response, helping to maintain stable glucose levels, which results in better performance during workouts and more efficient muscle recovery, promoting muscle gain even for men over 40. Chromium can be found in fruits like grapes, which also help regulate blood sugar and are antioxidants, as well as apples, which, in addition to being high in fiber, assist in insulin function in your body. Therefore, consider including these fruits in your diet for muscle gain and improved muscle performance. Bananas can also be a quick and nutritious option before or after your gym workouts. Number 11. Iodine. Iodine, in addition to aiding metabolism and muscle recovery, also contributes to the proper production of thyroid hormones. Iodine intake is crucial for maintaining an efficient metabolism, especially during a muscle hypertrophy diet where you adjust your metabolism to varying calorie intakes throughout the day. This mineral is essential for men over 40, as it helps keep the thyroid healthy, ensuring adequate energy levels throughout the day, leading to faster and more effective muscle recovery. Additionally, iodine helps prevent various other metabolic issues that affect muscle growth and recovery after intense workouts, such as chest and leg exercises, ensuring that the body utilizes nutrients more efficiently during your training. You can find iodine in fruits like strawberries, which contain vitamin C and are a source of iodine as well as being antioxidant. Pineapple is also an excellent source, as it contains digestive enzymes that can aid in your diet, especially if you are adjusting your metabolism for higher calorie diets aimed at muscle gain. Pineapple can help with digestion and contribute to muscle building in your body. Number 10. Silicon. Silicon plays an extremely important role in the formation of connective tissues, such as tendons and ligaments, which are heavily used during long-duration and high-intensity workouts. These tissues are essential for supporting muscles during strength training. Additionally, silicon contributes to bone density, which is crucial for muscle building as your body needs stronger bones as you gain muscle mass. This becomes even more evident after 40, especially for men, as it helps prevent conditions like osteoporosis. Therefore, you should consider using silicon to maintain tissue integrity and muscle strength in your body after 40. You can find silicon in fruits that are well known here in the United States, such as strawberries, bananas, and mangoes. These fruits, besides helping with your overall health, also contribute to muscle maintenance and growth as you age. Remember, you can use them in a shake mixed with vitamins or supplements. I always use bananas with creatine before my workout. Let me know in the comments if you do this too. I'll reply to everyone. Number 9. Nickel. It is important to note that although it is needed in very small amounts, its function in the body is essential. Nickel helps in several enzymatic processes that influence lipid and carbohydrate metabolism, being crucial for muscle building and lean mass gain. In adequate amounts, nickel contributes to more effective nutrient utilization, especially after meals, improving muscle recovery and lean mass development due to better absorption of these minerals by the body. You can find this mineral in fruits like pears, which contain small amounts but greatly aid in metabolism after workouts. Another fruit widely used in the United States for obtaining nickel is apricot, especially the dried variety, as it helps in food digestion, particularly when you are on a higher calorie or hypertrophy diet, where there is a greater demand on metabolism. Number 8. Molybdenum. You might not be familiar with this mineral, but it is essential for enzyme functions that metabolize amino acids and aid in detoxifying the body. For men over 40, knowing and using molybdenum is very important, as it helps maintain an efficient metabolism and the ability to eliminate toxins, as well as contributing to muscle recovery and growth after prolonged workouts. Incorporating molybdenum into your hypertrophy diet can support these muscle growth processes, helping to maintain a body environment favorable to muscle development. Additionally, it is a very important mineral at the start of the diet to help the body better adjust to changes in metabolism. Here's an important tip. You can find molybdenum in fruits like grapes, especially dried ones, and also in bananas. You can make a protein shake by combining these fruits with some supplements 30 minutes before your workouts. Just blend the bananas with a bit of milk, creatine, and water. This shake will give you an extra boost for your workouts. Number 7. Lithium. Although many of you know lithium for its use in treating bipolar disorder, it also plays a role in neurotransmitter regulation and mental health. The importance of this mineral for muscle gain lies in the fact that good mental health is essential for motivation and consistency in training, directly influencing your muscle gain and diet. Maintaining good mental health allows you to push further in workouts and adhere to a healthy diet, influencing all aspects of your life. Therefore, using lithium in small amounts can help improve mood, brain function, and overall mental health. Remember, mental health directly influences your results in the gym. You can find this mineral in fruits like cherries, grapes, and strawberries. These fruits aid in brain function, influencing your muscle gains and workout performance. If you want to know how creatine affects the brain, I'll leave a tip at the end of this video. Stay tuned until the end so you don't miss it. Number 6. Vanadium. Studies have shown that this mineral has the potential to improve insulin sensitivity and regulate blood glucose levels, which directly influences your muscle gain and metabolism results. Additionally, research indicates that vanadium contributes to bone health, being essential for keeping bones strong and consequently influencing muscle gain. As you age, your muscles and bones tend to lose strength, especially for men over 40. Therefore, using this mineral can be crucial to prevent bone loss and aid in muscle growth. You can find this mineral in your daily diet in fruits like apples, oranges, and pomegranate seeds. Including vanadium in your diet is undoubtedly essential for men over 40 who wish to maintain their muscle mass. If you are one of them, go ahead and like the video. Number 5. Boron. This mineral influences the body's hormonal regulation, including hormones like testosterone and estrogen. Testosterone is crucial for muscle development and recovery, as well as for maintaining lean muscle mass, especially in men over 40. Boron helps balance hormone levels and improve calcium and magnesium absorption in the body, promoting stronger bones and creating a favorable environment for healthy and regular muscle growth. Using this mineral is recommended for men over 40, as your testosterone levels decrease with age, which directly affects muscle gain and helps them prevent muscle loss over time. You can include fruits like pears, apples, and grapes in your diet, which in addition to helping maintain and adjust hormonal levels, contribute to bone health. If you want to give your body an extra boost, I recommend using supplements like creatine, whey, or beta-alanine, along with other vitamins that help maintain testosterone levels in the body, promoting muscle gain and strength. Number 4. Cobalt. Cobalt is a component of vitamin B12, essential for red blood cell production and energy metabolism. It is an important mineral for the body, especially for maintaining energy throughout the day. Men over 40 may experience a decrease in red blood cell production over time, which can affect oxygen delivery to the muscles during workouts, directly influencing muscle gain and weight gain. Proper use of cobalt through vitamin B12 ensures that your body receives the necessary nutrients for muscle development, as well as maintaining energy levels and optimizing performance and muscle recovery during workouts. To maximize the benefits of this mineral, it is important to include cobalt-rich foods in your diet, such as beef liver, lamb, and chicken. These foods not only provide high-quality proteins, but also support nervous system health and energy production throughout the day. Cobalt plays a very important role in the body, facilitating muscle oxygenation by promoting efficient red blood cell production, which is essential during intense workouts like leg out, arm, and back training. But remember, consult your nutritionist before starting any diet so they can adjust it according to your goals. Number 3. Florine. This mineral plays an important role in maintaining bone health, especially if you are over 40. Florine helps keep bones strong, preventing bone loss and supporting more intense workouts, as well as reducing the risk of injuries during exercises. Additionally, Florine helps increase bone density, strengthening bone structure, and providing a solid foundation for safe and injury-free muscle growth. Did you know that injuries in men over 40 are the leading cause of muscle loss? If you want to know why, leave a like and comment on this video, and I'll make a video explaining the reason. It is crucial to use this mineral in the body as it helps absorb impact and pressure during exercises, which helps prevent severe injuries during heavier workouts. You can include fluorine in your diet through enriched foods or fluoridated water, or through specific supplements that contain this mineral. Number 2. Calcium. Calcium is not only crucial for bone health, as many of you already know. It goes beyond that, playing a vital role in muscle function and contraction, as well as influencing the body's muscle recovery. Therefore, adequate calcium intake helps prevent bone loss and contributes to maintaining strong and functional muscles as you age. Keeping your bones strong and healthy also supports muscle gain and recovery, in addition to benefiting overall health. You can obtain calcium from sources like dairy products. For example, a glass of milk contains about 300 milligrams of calcium, and vegetables like leafy greens, where 100 g of broccoli provides about 47 milligrams of calcium. If you wish to use supplements, I recommend options like Caltrate 600 Plus D3, which provides a significant dose of calcium along with vitamin D for better absorption, or Citracal Plus Magnesium, which contains calcium and magnesium, both important for bone and muscle health. Following a diet that includes calcium is very important for men over 40. We've reached the top of the list. If you've made it this far, please like and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any videos. We also want to know if this video was helpful to you, so leave a comment. Now, let's move on to number 1. Number 1. Iron, the muscle oxygen transporter. Iron is vital for the production of hemoglobin, which transports oxygen to the muscles, especially during workouts. Iron deficiency can lead to fatigue and reduce workout performance, as well as compromise muscle recovery due to a lack of oxygen in the muscles. This can result in impaired muscle growth and even muscle loss. Therefore, ensuring adequate iron levels is essential if you want to maintain and gain muscle mass and strength. You can obtain iron from dietary sources, such as red meat. By including 100 g of lean red meat in your diet, you provide about 2.6 milligrams of iron to your muscles. Another iron-rich food is spinach. By consuming a cup of cooked spinach, you will be providing approximately 6.4 milligrams of iron to your body. If you wish to use supplements, based on my experience, I recommend Thiosol Iron Supplement, which offers iron in different forms, including ferrous sulfate and ferrous gluconate. It is of great quality and safe. Another supplement is Nature-Made Iron, which helps prevent deficiencies caused by injuries during workouts. Leave a comment on which of these minerals you already use and which you plan to include in your diet. We will respond to everyone and provide tips in the comments, so don't hesitate to ask. Also, click on the video appearing on your screen to continue our conversation in another video. I'll see you there.